Yo, what's going on, you guys? It is Ceejaybrand here, and today we are back with a brand new tech review for you guys today. Now today we're going to be reviewing this cheap and affordable option of a microphone upgrade for your iPhone content or your iPad content. This right here is going to be a Suifam Wireless Lav microphone. I purchased this right here during Amazon Prime Day around like $9.99, but you can catch this on sale for maybe like 20 bucks sometimes, or it may jump back up to like $30. So definitely want to make sure you guys go ahead and, you know, tap in and get this product very, very quickly. Now, I have not heard the audio on this at all just yet, so we are going to plug it up to our iPhone and test out the audio quality. That way you guys can hear exactly what I can hear, I guess, as well. And yeah, I just want to, you know, figure that out and see how that's going to play out. So go ahead and get straight into the unboxing video of the Suifam's wireless lavalier, professional wireless lavalier microphone, I should say. Let me go ahead and get this opened up right quick for us. I should have grabbed me a knife, but you know, the knife is probably in a different room, but that's all cool. We got fingers for a reason. All right, so the unboxing of this item is not that bad at all, especially for the price when I got it. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I really didn't try to buy this for the iPhone or iPad, but it kind of works out, you know, because we're making social media content as is, you know, we're, you know, making reels. So we kind of do need a product just like this. So that's pretty dope. So this is how the product does come when you purchase it. So you get the microphone on top, and then you also get the wires on the bottom. So that's pretty dope. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box itself. This is going to be the microphone kit itself, and then this microphone kit, apparently it is going to be powered by a USB-C port, so that's going to be pretty dope. And then inside the box as well, you do get, of course, the charger kit, and then also I want to say the manual for this microphone, which I don't think that you really need a manual because it's pretty much just a plug and play option, so that's pretty cool on that. But dang, this is pretty snug inside this box. All right, so that's the end of that. So like I said, you know, we got the wireless little, you know, little manual or whatever, you know, for those that may not know how to use this at all, that's what you're going to use that for. And then let's open up this for the wires. All right. Look, I'm like, your boy was kind of struggling right there, but yeah, so it is a USB-C to USB-A port. Look, I forgot I gotta cover my face so y'all can see that wire. But yeah, that's that right there. And then let's take a look at the lavalier microphones themselves. Once again, here goes that little case that we are gonna be opening up today. Now inside the case, oh, so this is just, oh, dang. So inside the case, you do get one receiver and then one microphone. So that's pretty cool, you know, for the price point. You know, I would have expected maybe two of them, but I mean, there's no complaints at all. Now inside this microphone as well, like I said, this is going to be strictly for like your iPhone content. Now I think that there are some iPads out here where that does use a lightning cable, so you can go ahead and definitely use this. So since we do have a lightning cable attached to this microphone, of course it is going to be limited to only iPhone users, unfortunately, which, you know, it's kind of weird. I was expecting to put like a USB-C on here, or either have both, you know, the lightning cable jack and then also the 3.5 millimeter jack on here, but they don't have that, unfortunately, at all. So let's go ahead and plug this straight up to the iPhone. Let's see, you know, the quality that we're going to get from it. Let's see how it sounds. Yeah, so we'll be right back. All right, you guys, so we got our iPhone 14 Pro Max right here. Then we also got the receiver. So let's just plug it straight into the iPhone right now. That's hooked up, and then let's go to our video functions, and let's just see, you know, what type of audio we are going to get. Now, this is the port right here. I forgot to turn this mic on. Okay, so there is a small indicator on this microphone as well. I don't know if we'll be able to see it today, but we'll try to zoom in. There's like some little tiny little dots on there that's going to show us that the microphone it is on. But now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the camera and get some audio quality tests from it right quick. All right, you guys, so this is going to be the audio strictly coming from this Suifam's wireless lavalier microphone. I don't know how this sounds just yet, but obviously I'm going to unplug this and test out, you know, let my ears hear it, I should say, before we go ahead and finalize this video today. So that's going to be pretty cool. But yeah, Let's go ahead and see how that audio sounds from this microphone. All right, guys, so this is going to be the audio strictly coming from this Suifam Wireless Lav microphone. I don't know how this sounds just yet, but obviously I'm going to unplug this and test out, let my ears hear it, I should say, before we go ahead and... Now, the audio from this doesn't sound terrible at all. It sounds pretty decent compared to, like, I want to say other cheaper models or just the iPhone model, the iPhone microphone itself. I'm going to see what does it sound like without without this microphone hooked up to it now. All right, you guys, so this is going to be the audio coming strictly from the iPhone itself, without using these lavalier microphones at all. So we're just, trying to figure out, how does this sound and if this is worth it. And it's so crazy. I just did a thing where I'm looking over here, looking at my face, thinking that the lens is right here instead it's right here. I feel drove. So let's go ahead and see how does a regular iPhone audio sound. Guys, so this is going to be the audio coming strictly from the iPhone itself, without using these lavalier microphones at all. So we're just, trying to figure out, how does this sound and if this is worth it. And it's so crazy. I just did a thing where... So it doesn't sound different. All right, you guys. So this is going to... All right, you guys. So this is going to be... All right, you guys, so this is... You know what, I can hear there's a tiny difference. There's a tiny difference, I would say, between, using the standard iPhone microphone compared to using this microphone right here. I mean, the Suifams, I don't know why I say Suifam. The Suifam microphone sounds a little bit more quieter and a little bit more, I don't know what the heck the term would be, but it just doesn't sound... I'll say this, the iPhone microphone sounds better to me personally. Now, there could be a difference, maybe if you go outside, maybe this has some type of cancellation of noise in it, but I don't think that it does, because there's a couple modes on here that does show on here. So first and foremost, we do have 3-mode denoiser, I guess. We have a 360 pickup. It does have a long-lasting charging case, and then on top of that, there is 65 feet of distance transmission. So that's pretty cool. You can't walk away from the microphone, or from your phone, I should say, up to 65 feet. And then it's just a plug-and-play microphone. So obviously we just plugged it in, talked in it, and there was nothing coming from it. And then it says it supports most software. So I'm assuming that's if you use certain different, camera apps. So yeah, that's it. This microphone came out this year. I don't think there's anything more to it besides plugging it back into the charging case and closing it, because that's a done deal. I don't know about this microphone, because like I said, we just heard the audio. I don't know if the audio sounds good or bad. I don't know what the heck to say. So, but anyway, you guys, that's all we got for you guys today. If you are looking for a cheap, I won't say cheap, but a budget-friendly way of upgrading your audio, maybe you do want to check out this Suifam's lavalier microphone. Maybe you guys can hear a bigger difference than I can. I'm not 100% for sure. Obviously, we're using a DJI microphone today. Now, the DJI microphone, they do have the iPhone adapter as well, and also a USB-C adapter for about $329. And obviously, that audio is going to be a million times better than this, obviously, just because it's more expensive. The quality is going to be different. It's a bigger brand, and of course they got more money, I guess, to produce products for content creators. But yeah, you guys, so like I said, if you're looking for a budget microphone to upgrade your iPhone quality, I'm not Lord geez, not your iPhone quality, but you update your iPhone audio, this may be an option for you. But if not, there's tons and tons of other options out there on the market. And even you may just want to go ahead and grab yourself just like a wired lavalier microphone. That right there is going to get you like the most professional microphone quality ever, I should say. That's what I use, lav microphones with the wire. But anyway, you guys, that's all we got for you guys today. For sure, make sure you guys like the video down below. If you guys did like this product, leave me a comment down. Let me know if you guys heard a difference in the audio, because I don't think that I have, but maybe maybe got bad hearing. Anyway, you guys, until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace. I think it's pronounced Suifam. Suifam. I don't know. All right, man, we out.